can be all the things you told me not to be. Yeah, when you try to cover me, I keep on flourishing. Yeah, and he said the universe when I'm the company. Yes, I did.
You know what? I tried. Okay, I tried. My hair is made of plastic. I can't have it blowing it. Anyways, we're gonna ignore that flop. That was that. And we're just gonna get right into it. So hi guys, I'm Alex Falzer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today you saw the title, you know what we're doing. Today we're gonna be reviewing the brand Glitter Injections. Now they were kind enough to send me 2 glitters and 1 loose glitter. 2 are pressed and one is loose. They were kind enough to send it to me in order to review for you guys, but this is not a sponsored video. I am not paid. I ain't paid for none of that. They ain't give me no coin. I didn't secure the bag. I didn't get the bread. They just sent it to me to review, and I will give you my honest review. Now, I'm very excited for this because I have never, ever worked with, well, not never, ever. But no, never, ever. I haven't worked with glitter on my eyebrows, ever. I don't use glitter on my eyes, so I'm really excited to try it and see how well it works because they did say it was beginner friendly. So I am very, very excited. So if you're excited too, hit the like button, subscribe. You know what to do. You know how YouTubers are. So do all that and then we'll get right into the video. Okay, so a bit of background about Glitter Injections. I'm going to pull up a note on my phone that they sent me. I feel so this is my first time like getting a review package from a brand, so I'm very excited to be doing this. I'm so famous, you know, with my 2 subscribers. If you want to be one of those subscribers, you know what to do. Okay, anyways, I'm sorry. I'm excited to be back filming. I took a break for like literally half a year. So I'm excited to be back and yeah. But anyways, let me pull up this note. So Glitter Injection has been around for, I don't know how many. Okay, so Glitter Injections has been around since 2012. Their owner is Jessica Wong. She worked very hard and she was the first person to come out, well, in this letter they claim, she was the first person to come out with like pressed glitters and the kind of stuff that they do. And unfortunately, they had some issues. What year was it? In 2012, they got big and they had a bunch of popularities, but they had some issues with the pans of the glitter because who they bought the pans from, like the manufacturer that made their pans to put the glitter in, they didn't give them the anti-rust ones. There was a mix-up, so people started getting rust in their glitter. So yeah, the FDA was like, no, don't be getting rust in their glitter. So the manufacturer mixed up what pans they got. They ordered the anti-rust but got the ones that could rust in their product. The pressed glitters, they have like their own little adhesive in them, so it's a wet product. Wet product, it's like a damp product, so it caused rust. So many customers were like, yo, so why they're rusting my pans? What is it mold? Is it rust? So they had a bunch of issues with that and unfortunately led to a bit of a downfall. Retailers reached out to them and tried to get them in their stores, and they asked them for their formula, and they were like, oh, okay, they're asking for a formula so that we can get in the store. We get it, we understand. But the people who asked for their formulas didn't work there anymore, and they gave the formulas to other brands. It was a lot of sneaky, shady stuff, so they had a downfall. But they're coming back stronger than ever. I've heard a lot about them through other influencers who I talk to, and I love them so much. So I've heard only good things about this brand, so I'm very excited and honored that they would reach out to me to review this. But before you get discouraged like rust, I don't want to buy the product. No, they haven't had any issues since 2016. None at all. Zero. Nada. So we are all in the clear. But unfortunately, many other companies have started coming out with glitters and pressed glitters because they faced a bit of a downfall. So the company was like, oh, this is our chance. So they went and they stole ideas. So it's a lot of shady stuff. But they're coming back, and I'm really excited to be reviewing them, and I'm so honored that they trusted me with their products. So let's get right into this because I'm talking a lot. So Glitter Injections, they sent me a package and it came with a little card in it. They have, you know, pressed glitters, glitter injections, you know, glitter test tubes, highlights, glitter bronzers, and much more. Okay, I'm gonna have to check out those glitter bronzers because that sounds interesting. Oh, and 15% off my next order. I'm honored. So, okay, so I haven't showed you the glitters yet. I just realized that. So, okay, the first one they sent me is, it's a glitter injection. Let me focus on this. So the first one they sent me, it's called a glitter injection, and it's pretty clear why, because it's in an injection tube. So, it's kind of like silver, but it has purple reflex in it, and it is a loose glitter, so it will require a glue. Can you focus? I don't know what shade that is. Okay, let me look up what this shade is. And all these links will be in the description. No, I don't have a code. No, I don't have an affiliate link. You know how it is. I have like 2 subscribers, so of course I don't have none of that. But I will leave their website and the products that I reviewed down below. I'm looking for the name of the pressed glitters before I show them, because I want to try to be some form of professional. Not working out very well, but we'll see. Okay, so the glitters that they sent me, I'm actually keeping them in a ColourPop magnetic palette, because they don't come with their own like little compacts. So you can buy compacts though, secure the bag. But you can buy compacts, but they don't come with them, and the only magnetic palette I have is with this ColourPop palette, so that's what I'm storing them in, but I'm going to take them out to show you. Okay, so this is the one of the pressed glitters they sent me. This one is in the shade Candyland. It's a very dark purple. I don't know if it shows on camera, but it's a very deep purple, and it's perfect for fall, and I love that they sent me this one because it's very pretty. And if my camera would focus, you'd be able to see it. Okay, this is the second shade. It's called Vintage Rose. It's like it's pretty much a rose gold, but it has a little bit of purple reflect in it. And it's very pretty and beautiful, and I'm excited to use this one. So I'm excited to use both of them. I don't know how I'm going to do that, because I have 3, and I don't know how I'm going to put 3. Oh, I have an idea. Never mind. Okay, I'm done. I'm actually going to start with eyes, because glitter can be messy, and this is my first time using it. So I'm going to start with eyes, so that if it gets on my face, I can somehow manage to get it off. So, yeah. Let's get into brows. So I'm going to do the classic beauty guru thing and go do my brows off camera, because they take a while, and that's all that, and my camera battery. You get it. I know you guys understand, so thank you. So I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I did my brows. They aren't my best brows, but they're brows, so don't come for me in the comments. Actually, do come for me in the comments. I need more comments on my videos, so. Alright, so obviously I zoomed you guys in for my eyes, but before we get into the glitter, I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and today I'm actually going to be using a new Morphe palette, and no, it isn't Morphe's new James Charles collab. I wish I had that. If anyone wants to like PayPal me $40, then I'll buy it, but I'm broke. But no, I'm going to be using the, what is it, 35M. It's their Boss Nude palette. This is fairly new also. It's a very pretty palette. It's very pretty. And I've been using it a lot, and I love it. So, that's what I'm going to be using on my eyes. Okay, so I just did my eyes. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this eyeshadow. It's a lot, and I don't know. I don't know how I feel. I don't know if I like it or not. But we aren't here to review my eyeshadow looks or my eyeshadow. So, we're not going to acknowledge that. I just don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I like it or not, but I left my creases cut and unset so that we can get into the glitters. But I don't know about this eyeshadow. Let me know how you feel in the comments. I don't know if I like it. But whether or not I like my eyeshadow is completely irrelevant, because we are here to review glitter. So let's dive right into these glitters. So here are the 2 glitters you saw them before. This is, oh, wrong side. This is Candyland, and this is Vintage Rose. So first I'm actually, oh my god. First I'm going to go in with Candyland on the outer part of my cut crease. I'm scared. So in the instructions, they say they don't require glue. So I'm hoping that's true, and that you just pat them on. So I have a brush that I don't use, and don't like, because glitter gets messy and it's very hard to get out. So this is going to be my new glitter brush. So I'm just going to take that, and oh, okay. Oh, no, okay, you see, oh, So this is what we're... Okay. I know that you guys watching saw how quickly that got opaque and... Okay, you know what?
Bro, look at what I just texted you.
I'm filming.
No, just real quick, look what I just texted you.
My sister's FaceTiming me. I already know who that is. That's He Flawless. I love him.
I'm just saying he looks exactly like...
Literally, some stranger on Twitter tweeted me, "Oh my god, you look like He Flawless."
You look exactly like...
Literally, I would not be
I saw
disappointed.
you and I was like, this looks like Alex, but he has like more of a wide face.
I love He Flawless. He Flawless, hi. If for some reason you see this video, I love you, and people say I look like you. So, collab. Anyway. I need those views. Get me those He Flawless clicks. I don't think I need to give this a review. I don't think I need to tell you if it's good or not, because you can see. I know you see that. Continue on to the next one. Okay, what's the next one? I'm going to take that pink one, Vintage Rose, and that's just going to go everywhere on the half-cut crease that we didn't cut. I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pack it. Oh my god. Hi. Okay. I'm fine. I'm perfectly okay. You guys, okay. I really don't think that my studio lighting is showing off how beautiful this is. Oh, this is so pretty. I just realized that this makeup look looks like a witch makeup look I did on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. ALX.Falzer. PFALCER. So the next one, of course, is the glitter. What is it? Glitter Injections. Their brand named after, or this is named after their brand. Pretty clear why, because it's a syringe. Now you don't you don't actually squirt it out of here. Just letting y'all know now so you aren't disappointed. You have to take this part out and you dip your brush in. Now this one is loose instead of pressed, so you do need a glue with it, a glitter glue. But I do not own a glitter glue, so I'm going to use lash glue, which I have read you can use lash glue for this. I'm going to put this on my inner corner. Okay, so I'm taking my lash glue. This is the Duo one, the Brush On Duo one, and I'm just painting it in my inner corner where I want the glitter to be. And I'm going to press my finger in there so that it, like, takes out the excess and so that it can get tacky. Tacky, tacky, oompa! Sorry, okay. And then I'm going to take the little part out. I'm going to take that out and set that somewhere. And then I'm taking that same glitter brush that I've been using and I'm just going to dip my brush in there and pick up the glitter. Now, this is a lot messier. Because it's a loose glitter, there's no glue holding it all together, so it's a lot messier. That's why you need your glue. Okay. Let me focus, y'all. Because we are both here in the moment of truth. Are we going to focus? We're going to focus? Okay, and I'm just going to... I know that you view and can view how this looks right now. Glitter injections, we gotta fight now. We gotta fight. Okay, we're doing the other eye. This is too much. Y'all just gonna have me out here looking like a disco ball. Looking like a magical freaking... As you know, I haven't used glitter on my eyes before, but this is nice. So, I'm gonna go do the rest of this face off camera. And then we're gonna come back and recollect. I filmed this video like almost a week ago, and I've been editing it since. And I just now found out at 2 a.m. that I wasn't recording when I did my outro. So here we are. It is 2:10 in the morning. And it's a school night. It's a Tuesday night. Oh my god. Or if you're one of those people, it's a Wednesday morning. If you're one of those people. So here's my outro. I really hope you guys enjoyed my review. Of course, I loved all the products. They were really good. Rundown, the 2 pressed glitters were beautiful. The loose glitter was amazing. So I really did enjoy the products, especially for it being my first time using glitter. So they were very fun to work with. I would definitely consider purchasing from them again, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All of those are free, so I don't know why you wouldn't, but also be sure to follow me on Instagram. That also doesn't cost you anything, so just go ahead. It's alx.falzer, spelled P-F-A-L-Z-E-R. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a beautiful day, or night, or afternoon. I don't know when you guys are going to watch this. But right now, I'm going to go have a beautiful night of like 3 hours of sleep because I have school tomorrow. So, I love you all. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Deuces.